guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I know we recently did a how to assemble a toddler, or not even a toddler, just how to assemble a ball jointed reborn doll. And this time we're going to just assemble a normal one. So this is Quinlyn by Bonnie Brown and Adrie Stoete. And I am going to be assembling her so she can go home tomorrow. So we are just going to jump right in, and we'll probably all be sped up with music, so. Okay guys, so she is all assembled, and that is pretty much how I do it. I do it a little different every time. Sometimes I stuff the body before I put them together, and sometimes I do it after I get the limbs on, like I did here. I got the legs on. That's usually how I do it, is I'll put the legs on. It just gives it a way to kind of sit up. Ooh. It kind of gives it a way to sit up. This baby has just kind of like my basic painted hairstyle. It's just the very base layer. She's gonna get rooted eventually, and I didn't want to pour like a ton of time and make it super detailed because it's just gonna get rooted over later, but it was just enough to have. So, but I really love this baby. This is my 4th Quinlyn. I think it's my 4th Quinlyn. I really love this kid. Getting behind the knees is an issue every single time I paint it because she's so froggy. But how cute is she? How cute is she? She's so sweet. So anyway, I enjoyed this video. I hope you all also enjoyed this video, and as always found it at least somewhat informative. And yeah, so if you'd like to see more like it, and other reborn related content, then please like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.